I've been working in response, recovery, and preparedness for what seems like my entire life. I'm Josh Barnes, and I lead disaster recovery for HHS within the Assistant Secretary for Preparedness and Response, or ASPR. Disasters don't just destroy buildings and brick and mortar, they affect families. Recovery is the phase after response and can last for years. We work with partners across the federal government and localities to deal with the health and social service needs communities have. The 2017 hurricane season was intense, with one massive storm after another in different parts of the country. Each time, we were on hand to bring medical help, supplies, and hope. In fact, ASPR teams are still there supporting those missions right now. Last year, lots of people from all over HHS joined hurricane response and recovery teams and deployed for their first time. Afterwards, they'd say they want to do it again. It really is an experience like nothing else. Over my career, I've responded to some 30 disasters. Public service is where I feel I make the most difference. At ASPR, we want to integrate preparedness, response, and recovery around HHS because everyone has something to offer. It's hard work, but so rewarding. I'm Josh Barnes, and I help rebuild communities after disasters. And I am HHS.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services at taxpayer expense.